It's Eclipse Day.
The adventures of Leeann. Health, travels, chickens, chins, moods. Let's begin.
It is Monday morning. Walking to the control room. This guy is still chilling, just chilling on the face. Super nice out. Look at my scooter looking all wrecked. It's gonna do a show. It's gonna be great.
One minute.
Hey friends. Would you be my friend?
I'm always your friend.
Friends forever. Lysol is your friend. Casey, can you hear me? You don't know if he's there? What do you mean he's not there? Just got into the dressing room. I'm gonna go on my run. I always liked being in here. First of all, it smells like straight up hairspray. And it reminds me of getting ready for prom. So every time I come in here, I'm just thinking about all the mistakes I made in high school. I should not be trusted with hair dye. Like, who does this? So I didn't want to bring a new change of clothes for running every day, so I thought I'd wear the same clothes a few times. But the shorts are at the point where the band is like so stretched that it's staying open. And they smell absolutely horrendous. Sports bras, meh. Shirt smells like a pair of shoes. And I don't want to smell my socks. I will probably vomit all over my running gear if I smell them. I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh, they're definitely crunchy and a little dirty, but they don't smell as bad as I thought. Could use a good wash, let's be real. All right, I have changed. I smell like a steaming pile of dog crap, a sweaty steaming pile of dog crap. And I'm gonna go run a couple miles, probably 3-ish. My goal is 3.5, but that's pushing it. Oh my God, I can smell my clothes from here, I'm not kidding. Look, I'll be back. Smell like that person at the gym that just smells absolutely horrendous. And you're like, when is the last time you bathed? Yesterday. All right, I am leaving work. I got a pair of the solar eclipse glasses. I'm gonna go surprise G at work. Just got to G's work. Parked outside. They have cosmic brownies and Milky Ways. So ready for this eclipse. Eclipsing. You look like you're in like Willy Wonka. And he's got like the glasses on. Hello. I'm going home. Tell the world I'm coming home. Somebody's excited to see me. Got helmet hair. You were such a good girl. Yes, Noodle. Grapes, los udo. Chickadees! Oh my gosh, waiting for me. Waiting for me. There's enough for all of you, you freaks. Sweet, we got 2 there and none there. I put up that bucket to see if they'd lay eggs inside of it because they kept laying there and they're not really supposed to. So let's see if any of them laid in there. Nope, all dry. Denise has no manners and will try to come in. You can want to try not to. No. Noodles, do you want to? No. No. Ladies, get out. Get out. Go. 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 No. No. Get out. Get out.
Chubby little genius.
I'm liking this American boy, American boy. I'm doing some editing until G gets home from work. Very exciting.
I am going to donate. What do you want?
Well, you're gonna want that one on the left top, right?
Just tell me which one you want. I'll take this one.
I wanted that
I know,
one.
but you wouldn't tell me, so now it's mine.
No.
Huh?
You didn't want that one.
No.
You
I
wanted the
wanted
other
that
one.
I know, but you wouldn't tell me which one you wanted, so now I solved it on it.
I told you.
No?
Put it in your face.
Would you get Angela?